Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. I'm going to be doing a very quick nail video for you today. I'm going to be taking off my old set of nails. And I have lost multiple nails, but I have loved this manicure that I did with the multicolors and the pretty blue. I've actually kept it on a lot longer than most of my manicures because I loved it so much. And when I would lose one, I would just glue a brand new one on. And so it is time though. I have decided not to replace them as they fell off because I knew I was going to be putting on a new set and I didn't want to have fresh glue on there and then have trouble getting them off. So anyways, I am going to take them off and put on a new set. But I am going to share with you, I'm going to unbox these brand new nails. These are called Hello Love nails, and I just got them in, and I got 3 packages of nails. And one of my subscribers, Andrea, hello Andrea, she's awesome. She has been following and subscribing to my channel since the beginning. And I so appreciate you, Andrea. And I appreciate all of you, obviously. But anyway, I'm going to unbox these Hello nails. I had checked them out because I wanted to also find a set of green nails. I was not able to see any green nails. Obviously, I didn't have any in my collection. If you watched my last video, instead of doing blue, I wanted to do green, and I didn't have any green. But anyway, I found some really pretty green. So let's get these open. I did get the combination. So I got like a light green, a dark green, and a sort of, I think, like a reddish color to coordinate. But I don't feel like doing the multicolored nails, so I'm going to pick one of these. And I think I'm leaning towards the redder color. I don't know if it's red. I think it's like a burgundy. But let's take them out and take a look at them. And I will choose which ones I'm going to do my set. So, all right. So I'm just going to cut the top off of here. And these nails were about $15 a piece, so, but they are getting expensive all across the board now. Run, John, Run, I think it said. Yeah, Run, John, Run. I should have my glasses on. This is a very pretty green. I love this green. I'm gonna put my glasses on. Oh yeah. I really like this, and they are short, so I don't think I'm gonna need to trim these down at all. So there's the green, Run, John, Run. Here's the next one. This is the burgundy color, and this is called Welcome to Denver. That's pretty. And again, these are shorter, so if you like a short nail, I think you would love these. And the last ones are these sort of a mint green. These are called Larger Than Jupiter. And these are like a pretty minty green. So I feel like these would all coordinate well together if I wanted to do, if I wanted to do something, and I will eventually mix these all together. But for today, I feel like just doing a single color. So I think I am going to try this sort of burgundy brown color. So I am going to take off the set that I have on and put these on. I am going to be using my own super glue. I'm not going to use the glue that comes with the nails. I am just going to go straight to my super glue that I know works every time. And yeah, so let's just open these up, and I'm going to quickly take off my remaining nails, and we'll get these on and see how they come out.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some other stuff that I don't even wanna hear. The crazy part is that I didn't
guys, look at these. These are fantastic. They were so easy. I really like the way that they packaged them because you had two sections and it was basically each hand had its own section. So, you know, you had one and they were identical. So when you chose one for one hand, you knew exactly where the other one was for the other hand. So there was no like trying to find a bunch of sizes in between a bunch of mixed up nails that you just dumped out. And I love that. So it was so easy and quick to choose the nails. And I really like the way these nails fit. They sort of have like a roundness to them where they just sort of sit easily right on your nail. And they go on so easy. And I really love the richness of this color. I really, really do. I mean, I know it's not a springy color per se, but I don't know, I was just in the mood for something like a uniform color, something with a little depth for a change. I don't know. I love them though. These Hello Love nails. Okay, Andrea, very good tip here. I really, really like these nails. So if you like a shorter nail, these are the perfect length, and I didn't have to do anything to them except glue them on. No trimming, no filing. Yeah, just awesome. So I'm definitely going to be trying these other colors another time. I think I'll mix these two up. Maybe this will be great for my next manicure. A nice spring green with a little bit of light green. Rather than doing 3 colors, I'll do 2, which I think I will like that. So yeah, there we go, guys. Some real pretty nails, and I did this all in like less than 15 minutes. It's kind of cool. You know, I've worked a full day. I'm kind of tired. I kind of wanted to just get this video done and get my nails on. And in 15 minutes, it feels like I went to the salon and sat there for like an hour and had her do my nails. And there's nothing like this, nothing like being able to just put your own set of nails on. It looks professional. It looks beautiful. And yeah, at the end of my workday, you know, I think it's great. So yeah, I'll link these below. I will link the website. I have no affiliation with them. They don't know me. So I'm not, you know, trying to sell them for them. I am really bought them for myself and I'm really loving them. And I will definitely be buying some more of these nails. Now, another subscriber, and I'm sorry I didn't put the name to memory at this point, but I will, wanted me to do a review on the Olive and June nails, and I did briefly go out to the website and take a look. So I will get some of those nails and I will do a manicure with them and let you know what I think of them in an upcoming video. I'm still working on collecting all those nail photos, so if you got some nails from me several weeks ago from the Tiffany nail haul, and you still haven't sent me a photo, please do. I would love to share them in an upcoming video, an upcoming nail video. I do have several that I've gotten. Thanks to everyone who's sending me photos of their manicures. They're absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, and Becky, you sent me some tea and a thank you card. Thank you so much for that. I got that yesterday. I finally went to my mailbox, and so that was in response to getting the nails. She sent me a thank you card and a package of tea that I can't wait to try. It's right here, this beautiful card, and some awesome relax, rewind, then press play again. Cinnamon and lavender. This looks really, really yummy. I can't wait to give this a try. She knows that I like to chill out whenever I can, and I will definitely be chilling out with this tea very, very soon. So yes, thank you very much, Becky. I appreciate that. I also got my St. Patty's Day card from my friend, subscriber, Molly. So cute. Friends are the whipped cream in the Irish coffee of life, for sure. And thank you, Molly. And I consider you all friends, every single one of you. So anyway, guys, thank you again for tuning in and for checking out my latest nail video. I'm loving these Hello Love nails. As you know, it's getting pretty hectic over here, but I'm going to keep sharing with you as I go along. So anyway, guys, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.